Hi guys, and welcome back from Carly, head forage monkey and wild things enthusiast at the Herbathecary. Today's video is a little different. We won't be foraging. We will be making banana bread because it's absolutely awesome. So this recipe is nice and easy. I usually use 3 bananas nicely smushed up, and then you use as many eggs as you did bananas. So in this case, we're going to add 3 eggs, mix them in well. We're going to use about 5 ml of vanilla essence, then half a teaspoon of baking soda and a full teaspoon of baking powder. I then add about 3 tablespoons of sugar. We're using brown sugar today, however, you can use white sugar if you wish. We're then going to add in nuts. Now, we're using almonds today. You can omit these from the recipe if you wish, or if you have an issue with nuts. However, they add the best taste to it. Once that's all mixed in nicely, we then just add enough flour until it's cake batter consistency. Now, I've got my Old Faithful cake tin here, or bread tin rather. Everything sticks to it, so rather than butter it, which you can do if you have a nice new one, I'm just going to pop in some non-stick paper. I've popped the oven on to 180 degrees to preheat, and then we're just going to pour it in the cake tin and let it cook for between 30 and 40 minutes, or until it's nice and brown and you can pop a toothpick in and it comes out clean. Hope you guys give this recipe a go. It's absolutely amazing and never lasts more than a day in my house.